Welcome back to Tech Talk. Today, in this video, we're diving into three crucial aspects of your iPhones. Battery, iPhone battery health, tips to extend battery life, and maintaining battery health. The third section is particularly vital, so make sure you stay tuned until the end. First, let's talk about battery health. Your iPhone's battery is a lithium-ion battery, which naturally degrades over time. You can check your battery's health by going to Settings, Battery, Health, and Charging. If your maximum capacity is above 80%, your battery is in good shape. Below that, you might start noticing performance issues. If your battery capacity is low, it's time to consider a battery replacement or taking extra care to extend its life. Now, let's go through some practical tips to keep your battery healthy and extend its lifespan. Keeping your screen brightness down can save a lot of battery. Go to Control Center and adjust the brightness slider. You can also turn on auto brightness in settings, accessibility, display, and text size. Low power mode is your iPhone's way of conserving energy when you're running low. Activated in Settings, Battery, or through Control Center. This feature reduces background activity and visual effects, saving you precious battery life. Background app refresh allows apps to update even when you're not using them. Turning this off can significantly save battery life. Go to Settings, General Background, App Refresh, and choose Off, or select only the apps you need. Location services are great, but they drain your battery. Head to Settings, Privacy, Location, Services, and turn it off for apps that don't need it. Dark mode isn't just easy on the eyes. It's also easy on your battery. OLED screens, like those on most iPhones, use less power displaying dark colors. Go to Settings, Display and Brightness, and switch to dark mode. Outdated apps can drain your battery faster due to inefficient coding. Make sure your apps are up to date by going to the App Store and checking for updates. Push notifications can wake up your iPhone and use battery power. Head to Settings, Notifications, and turn off notifications for apps that don't need them. Proper maintenance is key to keeping your battery healthy over the long term. Your iPhone's battery performs best between 16 degrees to 22 degrees Celsius, 62 degrees to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid exposing it to extreme cold or heat, as this can permanently affect battery capacity. Frequent, small charges are better than letting your battery drain completely before recharging. Apple recommends keeping your battery level between 20% and 80%. iOS has a feature called Optimized Battery Charging, which learns your daily charging routine and waits to finish, charging past 80% until you need it. This helps reduce battery aging. Make sure it's turned on in Settings, Battery, Battery Health, and Charging. Always use Apple-certified chargers and cables. Non-certified accessories can cause damage to your battery or charge your iPhone inefficiently. If you're not planning to use your iPhone for an extended period, store it with a charge of around 50% in a cool, moisture-free environment. Check it every 6 months and recharge it if necessary. Even with good habits, you might run into some battery issues. Here's how to fix them. If your iPhone battery drains faster after an iOS update, it's usually because the system is re-indexing data. Give it a day or two. If the problem persists, try restarting your iPhone or checking for a minor update that may address the issue. Your battery percentage isn't moving. Try restarting your iPhone. If that doesn't work, perform a hard reset by holding the power button and the volume down button on iPhones without a home button until the Apple logo appears. Clean your charging port carefully with a dry, soft brush to remove any dust or debris. Also, make sure you're using a certified Apple charger. If the problem continues, it might be time to visit an Apple store. If your iPhone is shutting down unexpectedly, even with battery life left, try recalibrating your battery. Let your phone completely drain until it shuts off. Then fully charge it to 100% without interruption. This process can help recalibrate the battery indicator. If you notice a particular app draining your battery, check for updates or consider deleting and reinstalling it. If the issue persists, you might need to stop using that app or look for an alternative. By following these tips, maintaining good charging habits, and knowing how to fix common issues, you'll keep your iPhone battery performing at its best for years to come. If any tips are left, please tell us to comment.